teacher.
Hello, Huy. You're there. Very good. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
All right. So how are you?
I'm happy.
I'm happy you are good today. So teacher is also good today because we have a good weather now here. Yesterday, oh my God, it's raining so hard here. That's why I'm not feeling good yesterday. We have a typhoon here. You know what's typhoon? A condition wherein there is heavy rain and strong wind and it always rain. That's like just like that. We had like that here yesterday. That's why now I am happy also because I have a class with you and the weather here is good. So are you now ready to have our class this evening?
Yes.
All right, so for us to start our lesson, let me share screen with you. Okay. There. Okay, that's my screen. Wait for a second. I'm start setting up everything. Hello. Okay, there is it now. Okay, there. So, for this evening, wait, all right. For this evening, we are now on unit. It's not unit 3 here, but it's there. It's unit 3, but may I check? It's unit 33D, okay? Unit 33, letter D, which is entitled, what's the title of unit 33? Entitled?
Our two.
It's our town. Again?
Our town.
Okay, so when we say about town, that is the place we stay. All right, it's a place we stay. That is our town. Town, our place where we live. Okay, next. So here we are going to do lesson 3, neighborhood stores. Okay, so this is neighborhood stores because you might wondering, teacher, why there is activity already? Because unit 33 is about writing. Okay, we're going to answer because teacher wants to check how is your ability in writing. All right? Oh,
Yes.
all right. So here, we have here a warm-up activity. So here, lesson 3 is entitled Neighborhood Stores. You know what is a store?
Story.
Oh, store is a story?
Yes.
All right. When we talk about store, it is the place where we can buy our stuff. We can buy the food, we can buy things, but it is different from shopping mall. You know what's a shopping mall?
I don't know.
A shopping mall is a big building where everything is there. Just go there if you want to buy food, it's there. If you want to buy things, it's there. If you want to buy drinks, it's there. So, shopping mall is a big place where you can buy everything. But look at me. But if we talk about stores, it's just a small place where there are small tables where there foods or things that they sell are put into table. Look at this one. This one is a small store. This one is also a small store. This one is also a small store. Okay, that is the difference between a store and a shopping mall, because shopping malls are big, stores are just small. Okay.
Yes.
All right, so here, warm up letter A. Can you please read to teacher the instruction on how to answer this one? Please read. Choose.
To end what the word
Words.
was
Oh, yes.
complete the story.
Okay, here. Choose and write the words and complete the story. So this one is a story, okay? I want you to complete it how to complete the story? By writing this one, by writing the words that is found in the box. So I have 4 words there. Can you read it to me? What is the first word? What is this?
Is
Is this one.
are
R, this one.
petty.
Again, pretty, not pretty. It's pretty. Again.
Pretty.
Yes, pretty. This one.
Fresh.
Fresh. Again.
Fresh.
All right. So is, if it talks about one, are, two, or many. Pretty, another word of pretty is beautiful. Okay? Pretty and beautiful are the same. And then fresh means fruit that is just picked up now, or something, food that is cooked now, not a while ago or not on the other day. That is fresh. Okay? All right.
Yes.
All right, so look at here. Look at the screen here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing words that you need to put to complete the sentence. All right, now here, please read sentence number 1.
To open market.
Blank, a fun place. What is the answer? The open market, blank, a fun place. Is, are, pretty, or fresh?
Fresh.
Fresh. Are you sure fresh?
Yes.
All right. Wait. Can we read everything first before we answer so that you'll know where to write the words, okay? Because you will not put same word 2 times, only 1 time. You can use the word 1 time, okay? Okay, listen to teacher first because teacher will read it for you. Okay, listen carefully so that you'll give me a correct answer. Okay, you answer later. Okay, I'll read it all. Okay, okay. This one. The open market, blank, a fun place. There are many small tents. There are colorful fruits. There are blank vegetables. All right. There are interesting toys. There are blank, blank clothes. There are fun things everywhere. And children blank excited at the market. Okay. You want teacher to answer number 1? Okay. Number 1 is a bonus. Teacher will answer it for you. Okay?
Yes.
Right. So, but the other next sentences, you'll be the one to answer. Okay? Okay.
Yes.
Number 1. The open market blank is fun place. Okay. So, my answer here is. The open market is a fun place. You use is because there is only one market. So is not anymore part of the choices. So you are going to use are, pretty, and fresh. Okay? All right. Next. So there are many small tents. There are colorful fruits. There are blank vegetables. What kind of vegetables are they?
There are plenty.
Pretty vegetables? Beautiful vegetables?
No.
Are you sure? Give me answer.
Fresh.
Fresh. Oh, let's try to check if fresh is correct. All right. Good job. Fresh. When we say fresh, it's not yet damaged vegetables. Those are vegetables that is picked now. Oh, not old, but fresh. Okay? If you have orange plant outside and you just pick it now, meaning the orange you have is already fresh, not old. Okay? Now, this one. Please read this sentence. There are
Interesting toys.
toys.
There are toys.
Yes, again, there are interesting toys. Go.
There are interesting toys.
Okay.
There are plenty.
Pretty clothes. Let's try to check if pretty is the answer. All right. Good job. What's another word for pretty? What's another name for pretty? They are? Starts with B.
There are something very well.
Everywhere. Again?
Everywhere.
Oh, yes, sir. Again, there are fun things everywhere. Go.
There are something everywhere.
Next. Children.
Children are eating at the match.
Okay. Children, very good, are excited. Again, what's this?
Exciting.
At the market. You know what is excited?
At market.
Well, you know what is excited? This one, excited. Do you know what's excited?
No, I don't know.
When we say excited, it's like if your mom will tell you, we will go to the shopping mall and I will buy you toys, ice cream, spaghetti, and all the foods that you like. So when you do like this, really? Oh my God, you can't wait to go there. If you can't wait to go there, if you are thinking of happy things, if you'll go there, meaning you are excited. It's just a joy feeling, meaning you are happy to go there. You are looking forward to go there. That is excited. Okay? You now understand what is excited?
No.
No?
Yes.
Oh, yes. All right, next. Here, I have here a question. What is the instruction, Hui? Please read to me the instruction. Right?
Why? Yes or no?
Right? Yes or no? Okay. These questions are from what you see in the picture first. Okay. Before we go there, look at first the picture. What is in the picture? Can you describe the picture is? What's in the picture? There are children. Yes, there are children. What else?
There are people.
There are people. What else? What's this?
There are apples.
There are apples and fruits, right? What else? Look at the children. Are they sad or happy?
They are toy.
Oh, they are what? Sad or happy?
Toys.
There are toys. Oh.
There are toys.
Oh, there are toys. Yes, there are toys. Look at their faces. Are they sad or happy?
They are happy.
Yes, they are happy. Okay, now you are ready to answer the question in the next slide. Okay, here we go. All right. So here, warm up number 1. Write yes or no. Okay, please read question number 1.
On the Lego test.
Okay, are there large tents? Large, not largo. Okay, read again.
There are
Large. Large. Okay, again, are there large tents?
Are there that's
Large.
large?
Okay, are there large tents? Go.
Are there that's
Large.
large?
All right. Are there large tents? When we say large, those are big tents. Big. Are there big tents or large tents?
There are large tests.
Yes or no? Large, big. Yes or no? Big or small
Yes.
the tents?
Yes.
Yes, let's try to check. Wow! Good job. Next, number 2. Please read number 2.
Are there fruits and vegetables?
Okay, again, are there fruits and vegetables? Go.
No.
Read. Are there fruits and vegetables?
Are there fruit and vegetables?
Oh, look at the fruit. There's S. You have to pronounce every word that is. Again.
Fruits.
Yeah, fruits and vegetables.
Are there fruits and vegetables?
Oh, are there fruits and vegetables?
No.
Are you sure there's no?
No, yes, no.
What's your answer? Yes or no?
No.
No, let's try. Oh, it's yes, because apples are fruits. Oranges are fruits. Okay, leafy vegetables are also there. Vegetables, yeah. The carrot, the potato, there are vegetables. Next, question number 3. Go.
Are children sad at the
Market. Again.
market?
Again, read number 3.
Are children sad at market?
At the market.
At the market.
Okay, are children sad at the market? Does their face look like this?
No.
No, let's try to check if it's no. All right, very good. You got it. Number 3. Very good. Next. Oh, I have here word practice. Okay, we are going to practice saying this. Okay, what's this?
Market.
Market. Again?
Market.
Oh, there's R. Market. Go.
Market.
Oh, good. This one. Again?
Fruit.
Fruit. What if it's many? It will become fruits. Again?
Fruit.
Oh, if there's S, don't forget to pronounce letter S. How about this one? The last word.
Vegetable.
Vegetable. You say vegetable.
Vegetable.
That's vegetable. Do you eat vegetables?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, look at the market. What can you see in the market?
People.
People, yes. There are a lot of people buying in the market. What can we buy in the market?
Vegetable and
Vegetables and fruits. Yes. Look at this one. There are a lot of apples, like string beans, like another vegetable like potato, and different kinds of fruits. And look at here the fruits. What are the fruits that is found in the picture? What are the fruits there?
banana.
Banana. What else?
Apple.
Apple. What else? Yeah, apple.
Orange.
Orange. What else?
Mango.
Mango. What else? This one.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Yes. How about this one?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. And this one. What's this?
Grape.
Pear.
No.
What's that?
Pear and grape.
Oh, yeah. Pear and grapes. Yes. How about the vegetable? What are the vegetables you can see in the picture? Do you know what's vegetable?
Potato.
Yeah,
Carrot.
potato, carrot. What else?
Auto.
Okay, what else? This one, this green one, what's this?
Broccoli.
Yeah, broccoli. You know, broccoli can make you intelligent. It's good for the brain. What else?
Tomato.
Yeah, tomato. So those are examples of vegetable. I'm so happy you know these words. All right, another word to practice. What is the one? What is this?
Clothes.
Clothes. Again?
Clothes.
Oh, it is pronounced as clothes. This one, what's this?
Food.
A food. Yes, this one.
Thing.
Thing. Okay. What is the use of clothes? Clothes
Skirt.
is to wear. Yeah, what are the clothes in here? Skirt. What else?
Bag.
Bag.
Eyeglasses.
Eyeglasses.
Hats.
Hat.
Dress.
Dress. And
Dress.
give me one. Last one. What's this? This one there? Look at this one.
I don't know.
Belt.
Belt.
Yeah. This one is food. Okay. What are the foods in the picture? Can you give me 5?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Apple.
Apple.
Bread.
Grapes.
Bread.
Oh,
Bread.
okay. Yeah, bread. Oh, bread. What else?
Potato.
Potato. And last one?
Fish.
Fish, right? Okay, very good. Those are examples of food. How about things? What are things in the picture? Give me 5 things in the picture.
Okay.
Again,
Spider.
spider,
Pig. Cow.
pig,
Baby.
cow, baby.
Baby.
Oh,
A monster.
monster.
Hamster.
A hamster, yes. A hamster.
Car.
Car. Okay, very good. So maybe this spider here, pig, hamster, what else? Cat. These are just toys because pigs, hamsters, and what's this? Cat are animals. Okay, maybe these are just toys. That's why they belong to things, right?
Yes.
Okay, next. All right, there. What is the instruction in number 2? Go, go. Look and,
Mat.
oh,
Look
match. Okay, I want you to write a line going to the picture. But before drawing line, let's read first the picture, the words. What's this?
Market.
Market, this one. Fruits, this one.
Vegetable.
Vegetables, this one.
Clothes.
Clothes, good. This one.
Food.
Food, this one.
Think.
Things, things. Again?
Fact.
Okay, now draw a line. It's things, not thing. There's S. Okay?
Yes.
All right, now here. Draw a line. The first word we have here is the market. Now, find market. Oh, there. Very good. Come on. All right. Use line. Okay, that is the market. How about the fruits? What's the second word? What's this? What's this? Can you say this word? Again? Oh, come again?
Fruits.
Oh, very good. You pronounce S already. Very good. Next. How about the third word? What is this?
Vegetable.
Vegetables. There's S. Again?
Vegetables.
Oh, vegetables. There. And the fourth word we have here is the
Clothes.
clothes. Again?
Clothes.
Oh, clothes. Good. Next. This one. What is this?
Fruits.
Food. Again?
Fruits.
Oh, not fruits. Again, food.
Fruits.
Huh? Food. Look at me. Food.
Food. Food.
Yeah, food. Yes, good job. Draw a line properly to the food. All right. Next, what is the last word we have here is the? Again?
Thing.
Things. Again, things.
Things.
Again?
Things.
All right. Do not say think because think is different from things. Okay? Write it properly.
I don't know.
This one, they're going there. They're going there. All right. So now it's time for us to check if your answer is correct. Now here, where is the market? Oh, very good. Good job. Again, say the word again. What's this?
Market.
Yeah, market. Now, where is the fruits? Let's check. All right. Can you say the word? Fruits.
Fruits.
Yes, good. Next, vegetable. Where is the vegetable again? Oh, there. Can you say the word vegetables?
Vegetables.
Again? Clearer? Veg.
Vegetables.
Oh, vegetables. Letter G. G, G, G. Vegetables. Again. All right, vegetables. Now, let's try to find where is the clothes. Oh, there you go. Come on, say the word clothes. Say it.
Clothes.
All right, next, food. Where's the food? Oh, there. Can you say the word again? Food.
Food.
Yes, food. Next, the last word is the things. Can you say the word? Again?
Things.
Things. Good job. Look at your work. Perfect. Very good. Now, can you please erase your writing? All right. Thank you so much for giving me correct answers. Now here. Oh, sorry. Okay, here. Choose and write the words. So I have here 4 words. Okay. What's the first word? Please read. What is the first word? This one. Again?
Colorful.
Colorful. Again?
Colorful.
Yeah. Colorful means full of colors. A lot of colors. That's colorful. Next. This one. What's this?
Fresh.
Oh, not fresh. Fresh. Again?
Fresh.
Yes, fresh. Oh, I already gave you an example of fresh a while ago. If you pick fruits or um, vegetables and you're gonna eat it, then eat it immediately after picking, then you are eating fresh, means from the plants. Okay, this one, please read the word.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
You can say this word interesting.
Interesting.
All right, again. Interesting.
Interesting.
Interesting. Go.
Interesting.
Again.
Interesting.
Oh, you can say interesting. Yeah, interesting. When you say interesting, it means attractive. When you look at it, you say, wow, what is that? Oh, you got interest into something. Your eyes got attracted to what you see. That is interesting. Let's say, for example, you saw an animal that is big. And it's your first time to see the animal. And then when you look at it, you'll say, oh, wow, it's so big. What animal is that? Can that animal fly? Can that animal walk? Oh, if you want to learn something, if you keep on asking questions about the thing that you see, then that is interesting. Okay?
Yeah.
So can you say again the word interesting? Okay, say again the word. This one.
Interesting.
Again. Interesting. Go.
Interesting.
Interesting means attractive. Okay? You got attractive to it and you want to know about it, then that's interesting or interesting. Next. What is the last word here, Huy?
Sucker.
Oh, it's delicious. Again?
Delicious.
Oh, again, delicious.
Delicious.
Oh, licious. There's S. Delicious.
delicious.
Yeah, when you say delicious, when you eat something like cake for the first time and you think, wow, it's so yummy. I like it. Means it's delicious, yummy, good to your taste bud. You like it. Okay, that's delicious. Let's say, for example, you eat a food that is your first time, and then when you taste it, when you taste it, you like it, meaning you got delicious taste, delicious, yummy, like that, delicious. Now here, I have here for 4 words that I want you to write on the blanks in here. And please, again, 1 word per answer. You are not going to repeat the word. Understand, Huy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's go to number 1. Go. Please read.
The rainbow.
Again, rainbow.
The rainbow is colorful.
Okay, it has
It has 7 colors.
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 Yes. Okay. Can you read number
Yay.
1 again? Very good. How about read again number 1? The rainbow is colorful. It has 7 colors. Go.
The rainbow is colorful. It has 7 colors.
Okay. You know what are the 7 colors of the rainbow?
1, 2, 3.
No. You know what are the colors of the rainbow? Tell me the 7 colors of the rainbow.
Red,
Red,
orange,
orange,
yellow,
yellow,
green,
green,
blue,
blue.
purple,
Oh, I is indigo.
purple.
Yeah, it's somewhat like purple, but you call it indigo. And then last one.
Pink.
Oh, it's not pink. It's violet. Okay.
Violet.
All right. Okay, I'll teach you how to memorize this one. Okay, rainbow's color has mnemonics. Okay, look at this one. Look at here. For you to memorize the colors of the rainbow, we have here Roy G. Biv. Look at here. I am showing you Roy G. Biv. Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Those are the 7 colors of the rainbow. We call it as Roy G. Biv.
RGB.
That is how you will memorize the correct colors of the rainbow in order. Okay? All right. Next, number 2. Let's go to number 2. Please read number 2. Go.
These cookies
Cookies.
are
Cookies.
are delicious.
Again?
Delicious.
Delicious. Good. Very good. Delicious. Go. I want
some matter.
More.
More.
Okay. Again, read again number 2 with the correct answer now. Number 2. Very good, Huy. You got the correct answers. Good job. Come on, number 2. Number 2.
This cooking are delicious. I want some more.
Okay. These cookies are delicious. I want some more. Next, number 3. Go number 3.
This is interesting.
interesting book.
Book.
I
like it.
All right. Again, number 3. This is an interesting book. I like it. Go. Number 3. Go to number 3 na, huy. Go.
This is an interesting book. I like it.
Right. Very good. This is an interesting book. I like it. Next, number 4. Go, number 4. There
are fresh vegetables.
Good. Okay. There are fresh vegetables. They aren't.
They aren't. Oh.
All right. So again, the rainbow. Okay. Please read 1 until 4 with correct pronunciation of words. Go. Number 1. Read number 1.
The rainbow is colorful. It has 7 colors.
Yes. Number 2.
That's
These?
cookie.
Oh, you say it these.
These cookies are delicious.
Cookies? All right. Cookies.
Cookies
Okay.
are delicious. I want some more.
Good. Next, number 3.
This is an interesting book. I like it.
Good. Number 4.
They are fresh vegetables. They aren't.
This is pronounced as aren't. Good. Look at here. They aren't old. Go. They
aren't old.
Okay. Now, I have here this one. Oh, look at here. Grammar practice. We have here grammar practice. So, it says here, rewrite the underlined words with an apostrophe. Oh, look at the apostrophe. Okay, the small like that on top of the letters, that is an apostrophe. Can you say the word apostrophe? Apostrophe. Go.
Apostrophe.
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 Oh, apostrophe is like this. You can find this on top of the letters. It's called apostrophe. Okay, it shows omission of one or more letters. When we say omission, meaning there are missing letters. Okay, listen here. If you can see like this, apostrophe on top of the word, meaning there are missing words that are not completely spelled. Not spelled completely. We have here 4 examples. Look at number 1. Here. Look at Huy. This one. What is this? I am. Go. I am. It will become, if you put apostrophe, it will become
I am.
I'm. Oh, I am means I'm. Okay, I am and I'm are the same. Okay, look at here, look at here. We put apostrophe because we did not write the letter A here. Look at here, Huy. Again, we put apostrophe because letter A is missing. Apostrophe means omission of letters, meaning missing words, missing letters. Right. Next, how about this one? What is this? Look at here.
She is.
Okay, she is will become?
She's.
She's. No, not she's is. She's. How to read this?
She's.
Oh, we put apostrophe here because letter I is already missing. Look at here, Huy. We put apostrophe because letter I is missing. Look at the word she is. It will become she's. but they are the same. The same meaning. Not different. The same. Next, how about this one? It is. It is will
It
become.
is.
Will
It
become.
is. It's.
It's. Yes. Oh, we put apostrophe here because letter I is again missing. All right. Ah, next, how about they are? They are will become, look at here. They are will become, how to read this word? This one. What's this? They are will become.
They. There.
Oh, there, right? We put apostrophe here
There.
because, look at here, because letter A is already missing. In the first word, there is A. In the second, there's no A. We just put apostrophe. All right? Understand?
Yes.
Okay, again, we put apostrophe because there are missing letters. Missing, not there anymore. Okay, now, look at number 1. Please read sentence number 1. This is the last activity for tonight. Okay. It is, read.
It is a big
High.
building.
High
High
building.
building.
High means tall. It is a high building. Now, we will change it is. It is will become.
It is.
All right.
It's
So it will become, it's a high building. Can you say it again?
It's a high building.
All right. Now, number 2.
He is my brother.
Okay, he is my brother. So he is will become,
He's
he is.
He
right? He is?
my brother.
Ah.
My brother.
Right. Look at here. I is already missing. We put apostrophe instead of letter I. Now, number 3. Very good, Who. You got it. Next, number 3.
There are delicious apples.
Delicious, not delicious. Delicious.
Delicious.
Oh, they are delicious apples. What's the answer?
They are delicious apples.
Delicious. S.
Delicious.
Yes, delicious apples. Now, what is the answer? They are will become
There.
there. Very good. So it will become there. Again, read number 3.
There. Delicious. Sus apple.
Apples. There's S. Apples.
Apples.
Okay, again, number 3. Read number 3. They're delicious apples. Go.
There. Delicious apples.
Oh, delicious. Do not forget the letter S here. How to read
Delicious.
this one?
Delicious
This
apples.
one. Apples. Very good. Next. Very good. You got it. You got the technique. How about number 4? Read number 4.
I am happy today.
Oh, I am happy today. I am will become.
Happy.
Oh, this one. I am will become.
I am.
Oh, it will turn into.
I'm.
I'm. Very good. I'm. Good job. I'm.
I am.
Oh, is it I am? I'm.
No. Am happy today.
Oh, I'm happy today. We get the letter A and put apostrophe here. Next, number 5. Go, number 5. Number 5.
She is my English teacher.
Oh, she is my English teacher. She is will become. She is. Good. She is. Go. She is.
She's my English teacher.
Okay, now, since this is the last, I want you to read from 1 to 5. Come on, read 1 to 5, the red ones only. The red one, this one. Go. Number 1.
It's
It's.
hungry.
It's.
It's a
High
building.
building. Next, number 2.
My building.
Yeah, number 2.
He's my brother.
Good. Number 3.
There.
There.
Delicious apples.
Very good. Number 4.
I'm
Good.
happy today.
Very good. Number 5.
She's
She's
my English teacher.
very good. Is it easy? Easy or difficult? Easy?
Easy.
Yes, easy. All right, here. I have you encircle the correct word. The market is a blank. Is a fun place or places? The
The
market.
market is fun place.
Place or places?
Place.
Place. All right. Good job. Number 2.
Children
Is or are happy. What answer?
are happy.
Oh, very good again. Good job. Number 3. So easy. Number 3.
There
Blank many things.
is many things. There are many things.
Oh, let's try to check. Oh, very good again. Very good. Next, number 4. It or They is an interesting book.
It's
It. All right. Good job. Next, number 5.
the message.
Museum.
The message is
Museum. Again, museum.
museum.
Yeah. The museum is
On.
Are you sure on?
No, it's in the capital.
It's in the town center. It's center. Say it, center.
Center.
Yeah, next. Last word, number 6.
There are two
Playground or playgrounds? 2.
playgrounds.
All right. Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay, this one. Rewrite the words in the correct order. What's the one? There.
There are many stories.
Stores.
Stories.
Not stories. Stores.
Stores.
Yeah, good job. Next, number 2. It
Is a planting our food. Our food.
Wonderful.
Our food.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Go. Yeah. It is
A Pepsi.
Oh, are you
Our
sure?
food.
It is a place.
Plastic.
Oh, place. Place. This is plain. Oh, it is a place wonderful. Are you sure?
It
It is
a past
wonderful. No, wonderful place. Again?
This is a wonderful place.
Oh, place. Okay, it is a wonderful place. Next, number 3. What's number 3?
There are funny things.
Fun. Fun.
Fun things.
Yeah, there are fun things. Good job. Next, number 4.
Children are exciting. children are very
Excited. Excited.
excited.
Again,
Excited.
children.
Children are very excited.
All right. Good job. Easy, difficult.
Easy.
All right. Look at that. You got perfect again. Good job, as always. Now here. All right. Now look and write the sentence. Look at here. Market. The market. Okay. The market is
An
interesting place. Go.
The market is an interesting place.
Next. Again with the market.
It
Is
in our I don't know.
neighborhood. Again.
Neighborhood.
Oh, it is in our neighborhood. Next, how about there? Number 3. There.
There restings.
Be verb, is or are? There.
There are restings.
Great things. Again, great things.
Resting.
There are great things. Next, number 4. Look at 4. Fun toys. Is or
They
are?
are fun toys.
There, very good. Next, number 5.
There
Are or there is?
There is an ice cream store.
Store.
Story.
A store. Okay,
Store.
there is an ice cream store. Next, number 6.
There are many people.
All right. Easy, difficult?
Easy.
Easy. It's just the use of is and are. Is only one. Are many. Okay. If it's 2 or many, use are. But if it's only one, that is. Understand? All right. So here, the market. What can you see in the market?
The market is
What can you see? Interesting. Go. The
interesting.
Yeah, the market is interesting. Next. What else in the market?
The market is exciting.
Is exciting. Next. There. How about there? What can you see in the market?
There are markets.
There are markets? In the market already, what can you see in the market? There are
food.
Foods. Yeah, there are food. Next. There are, what else in the market? What can you see in the market?
There are vegetables.
Vegetables. Number 5. There are
fruit.
Fruits. Very good. Number 6. There are, what is still there?
There are clothes.
Clothes. Next. There are
delicious.
Delicious what? Delicious?
There are things.
Things. Say things.
Things.
Yes. Very good. Another one. Last word. There are
I don't know.
There are colorful. Oh no, there are fresh. Fresh what? Look at this one. Fresh. This
They
one.
are fresh.
Fresh what? Look at in the bowl. What's in there? Fresh.
Fruit.
Fresh fruits. Yes.
Fresh.
Fruits. Okay. Now, do you know already what is a market?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This one is your Homework. Okay, you have homework.
Con lại lại đi
You're
chụp lại đi.
going to write a story and look the previous chart. Draw and write your story. Okay, I'll send this in your mom, to your mom. I'll send this to your mom, okay?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. You're going to draw in here. You're gonna write it in a paper. Listen, write it in a paper. You're going to draw something here and you write your story. You just describe your picture, okay? Just describe your picture. Understand?
Yes.
Just like, let's say, for example, market. Oh, you'll say, there are fruits in the market. There are vegetables in the market, like that. Okay, you got it? I'll just send it to your mom later, okay?
Yes.
Okay, goodbye, Huy. Thank you for listening and answering me correctly. Good job, as always. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So I will see you on Tuesday. All right. Goodbye. Okay.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yeah, goodbye. I'm so happy to see you today. Goodbye. Bye-bye.